welcome back. Today I'm gonna make a roasted turkey Thanksgiving dinner. It's a very healthy and delicious recipe. For this recipe I need 1 whole turkey, 2 large onions, about 8 to 9 garlics, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of rosemary. First I'm gonna make my marinade. I'm gonna blend the 2 large onions and take out the juice of that, and then after that blend the garlic, add the garlic on top of the juice of the onions. Add half a tablespoon of salt, then blend the onion. Pour the blended onion on this little drainer and let the juice come out. Blend the garlics and then add the garlic on top of the onion juice. Add half a tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of rosemary. Mix it very well. My marinade is ready. Now I'm gonna take the turkey. I rinse it with cold water and pour this marinading sauce all over it, inside and out, and also I have 1 lemon. I'm gonna chop it in small pieces and put it inside the turkey instead of the stuffing. Flip your spoon and go under the skin. Make a little bit room under the skin and then add the marinading sauce there. I chopped 1 lemon in small pieces and I'm gonna place it inside the turkey. It gives a very delicious taste to the turkey meat. I'm gonna marinate the turkey for 4 to 6 hours, then bake it. This turkey that I have is 12 pounds, so I'm gonna bake it at 350 for 4 hours. So the ratio is 3 pounds of turkey needs 1 hour. And then while it's baking, take it out of the oven after each hour. Pour the juice of the turkey from the bottom of the pan all over the turkey. Put the lid on and put it back in the oven. Repeat this step for 2 or 3 times. It's good for turkey meat. It makes it juicy and tender. When there is 15 minutes left on your timer, remove the lid and put the turkey back inside the oven. Bake it for the last 15 minutes, and that gives the turkey this beautiful color. So this delicious turkey is ready. Look at all the juice on the bottom of the pan. I'm gonna use that juice to make gravy for the turkey. This is a very healthy recipe for roasting turkey. I did not use any extra butter or oil. Once the turkey is done, cover it with foil, let it sit for an hour, and then after an hour it's ready to be served. The delicious roasted turkey is ready. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate your support.